Welcome to my channel. This is Baking with Chef Arden. Today we're making a banana bread. And as you can see here, we have our bananas. We have 4 ripe bananas. We're going to crush our bananas. And here we have our brown sugar. We have our vanilla, our cinnamon, our baking powder. And right here is our flour that we're going to use for our banana bread. These are the ingredients. Yeah, you're just gonna follow along with me and crush your bananas. We're gonna crush our bananas and make it into a paste. Then we're gonna add our flour. So continue crushing your paste. Okay, we have our banana paste. All the ripe bananas mushed out and blend out. Now we're just going to add our 1 cup of flour to the banana mix. And you want to mix in that. Mix in that till you get a nice paste. Mix in all your flour. Yeah, continue mixing everything. Yeah, so you just mix in the banana with the flour. Now we're just going to add in 1/3 of sugar, brown sugar, to the flour and the banana. Yes, so just continue mixing. Now we're going to add the teaspoon of egg replacement to our mix. So we're going to add water to the mix. The egg replacement to the mix, the flour, the bananas, and the sugar. Now we're gonna mix in all the mix. Now you know we gotta put some vanilla extract in it for flavor. So we're gonna add a tablespoon of vanilla. So we add the vanilla to the mix. And you just wanna blend in the mix of vanilla with the banana, the flour with the banana, and the sugar, blend everything in. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay, we just added the baking powder. We add the vanilla, the brown sugar, the flour. Now we're just gonna add some cinnamon. Yeah, we're gonna apply some cinnamon to the mix. A tablespoon of cinnamon. We're gonna mix in the cinnamon. So we're gonna mix in the almond milk. Baking with Chef Arden. Now we're gonna grease our pan. We're gonna actually do some muffins, and we're gonna do 1 banana bread with our mix. So we have our banana bread mix that we're gonna use to make our muffins and our banana bread. So let's start greasing the pan, guys. We have some butter. Yeah, you wanna preheat your oven at 350. Okay, we just grease the pans. Our muffin pans are greased, and our banana bread pan is greased. So we're gonna add the cake mix to the pans and get ready to start baking. Yeah, you wanna place it in the center of your oven.